In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove collaborators from Google Drive, a crucial skill for managing your document sharing and ensuring your files only reach the right people. It's surprisingly simple, but can often be overlooked in the fast-paced digital world we navigate. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Google account. To access Google Drive, open a web browser and type in drive.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll want to find the specific file or folder from which you wish to remove a collaborator. Use the search function at the top if you're not sure where you saved it. It's a great shortcut when your drive gets a bit crowded over time. Now, right-click on the file or folder to open the context menu. You'll see an option that says Share. Click on this, and it will open the sharing settings for the selected item. This is where you can manage who has access to your file or folder. In the Sharing Settings window, you should see a list of people who currently have access. Here, it's essential to identify the collaborator you want to remove. For each person listed, there's a drop-down menu next to their name. Click on this menu. If you're the owner of the item, you'll see the option to change their permission settings from editor to viewer or commenter, or to remove them entirely. Select Remove to take away their access. After selecting Remove, a notification might pop up asking you to confirm that you want to remove this collaborator's access. Be sure to review your choice at this point. Once removed, the person will no longer be able to view, edit, or comment on your file. Once you're sure, click Save to finalize the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a collaborator from your Google Drive file. For peace of mind, you can double-check that the person no longer appears in the sharing settings list. This can be especially reassuring if you have sensitive or confidential information that you want to keep secure. Remember, regularly reviewing and updating who has access to your files is a good habit. It not only keeps your data secure, but also helps to clear up any unnecessary sharing permissions that could clutter your Drive's sharing settings. In summary, removing collaborators from Google Drive is a simple yet powerful tool in maintaining control over your digital content. Keep your files organized, secure, and accessible only to those who truly need access. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tricks on navigating the digital landscape.